to go to Tibet. Nothing is heard of them. The Mijumismis are at war with us. They will not let you pass through their territory.
Sir, listen to the words of the chieftain.
Hey, Master, listen. Didn't we start for Tibet? Yes, Tibet. At any cost. That is it. The way is terrible and dangerous. I have courage on 2 legs.
You will die of hunger.
I have got rice. Nobody will accompany you. Then I will go alone.
You will be wrong.
Then my basket will be lighter. You will be killed. I have a rifle to defend myself.
It is up to you, sir. We will not come. Give us our wages. We will not proceed any longer with you.
If he wants to continue, let him go alone.
He will surely lose his life.